Come on now. I just parked this thing, it was running. Now it won't start. And let me tell you why. AI helped me out fixing this problem. So if you ever been doing tractor work and you finished up and parked your tractor in your barn, and you come out the next day or even an hour later and it won't start like this by turning the key over, here's a few things to check that AI suggested to me. And the one thing that I didn't check and I didn't think would be the problem ended up being the problem. But thanks to AI, we figured it out.
When I parked my tractor, it was running. When I went to restart it, it would not start. Let's see what AI has to say. The issue is usually an engaged safety switch, a dead battery, or a fuel delivery problem. Okay. Show me what else. PTO switch is the most common reason. Neutral and clutch. Well, I don't have a clutch. This is a hydrostatic. Operator seat. Sit squarely in the seat. Make sure the safety switch is engaged. Brake. Fully engage the brake pedal. I don't think that had anything to do with it. Check the electrical system. The battery connections. Okay, that's pretty typical. Starter and fuses. I checked the starter relay fuse. And check fuel systems. Well, I don't think it's fuel because you can hear the fuel pump kick on when you turn the key. What else could it be? I've got a Kubota. I checked all those things, but I have a Kubota. And jump start's not going to help. Solenoid, I tapped on the solenoid and the starter. None of that stuff is really lining up. Let's see what else we got. I need to ask, or maybe I need to let it know what kind of tractor I've got, I guess. I've got a Kubota hydrostatic. Let's see what it says now. Since you have Kubota hydrostatic tractor, the hydrostatic pedals. Never thought about that. Center the pedal on the hydrostatic pedal or the treadle pedal and give it a tap or move it back and forth and try starting it there. Well, let's go check out the tractor and try these things.
The first thing to check is your safety switch. And in this case, mine's been deactivated. I wired it up to where it's always closed. But if you have an open circuit, it will show up on your dashboard as OC. The second thing it said to check were the fuses. And you've got a starter relay fuse, which is a 5 amp fuse, and it's the one at the very bottom left. I checked it, and it was good. It said to check, AI said to check your PTO switch and make sure that even if it looks like it's in the off position, wiggle it and jiggle it and push it down and back to make sure that linkage is not clogged up or gunked up. I did that, still didn't work. First thing you want to check is your battery. So you want to check under the hood and you want to inspect the battery terminal condition and make sure that they're tight and there's no excessive or any corrosion on there. The one thing I didn't think about checking was the treadle pedal. AI suggested that I take the treadle pedal, move it back and forward a couple times, and then make sure it's in that middle neutral position and give it a try. Thanks, AI. I never would have thought of that, and I'd still be looking for the problem. But with your help, I solved it in seconds. So if you ever have a tractor that won't start, check those 4 or 5 things, and it's probably something simple just like that. Now I gotta go clean up this linkage, and so it doesn't stick like that anymore. Just good maintenance, something I never thought about. I hope this helps you out, and if it does, hit that like and subscribe to Peterson Farms in Nashville. These are the sort of things that we put out on our channel to help you out.